me help you. Careful. 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 The brake. Use the brake. Wait. Car. Oh. There's a... Okay, go.
Don't have to hold it.
I know.
Wait, okay. That's something.
Back there. No. Here. You push, you bring that back, okay? And then you go.
Don't have to.
I know, go.
Wait. First, I have to start like that.
Oh, the car is coming. Careful. Careful. Stop. Stop, please. Whoa.
Hey, I got to do it. Don't hold me, never.
I know, but there's a car. Wait. 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 Still a car. Now go. You go. There's a car. Yeah. I'll help you. Wait. You do it. There you go.
Don't hold me.
Yes. Look in front of you. Good job. Yeah.
Anymore.
After a few weeks of scooter, Arena can do it by himself.
Daddy, I even can go on that slow.
Good job, Arena. Look in front of you. In front of you, Arena. Back. Come back. It's okay.
It's just a little bit difficult.
I know. Come back. Careful. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring the pedal back. The left one. The one on the right. There. Look in front of you, always.
Woohoo!
Good job.
Now we can both ride the bike.
Look in front of you, always, Arena.
Turn around. Don't stop, just turn around.
Car.
There, run.
Car. I can't go there. Are you going?
Ayan, ayan.
Please don't. Whoa. You just have to stay here.
Okay, go. Go. Oh, tama na ako, Aro foana lala fa misy efa anankiroa amintsika zao misy tomoso de misy tomobile lala. Ah, io le terrain vaovao. Io le terrain vaovao.
Hey, car. Move a car.
There's a car. Sao ny teniko anao e?
Zany eto foana.
Do not bump on someone's car. Do not bump on someone's car. Putain, ces gosses.